Hello Sejal, can you share with us the latest updates on your internship?
Hello, this is our day 18 of 100 days internship challenge, and today I have learned about setTimeout and setInterval functions in JavaScript, which are used to execute after a specified time delay and at regular intervals respectively.
So Sejal, can you tell us how does setTimeout and setInterval work?
Yes, setTimeout is used to execute a function or a piece of code once after a specified delay in milliseconds. Here is our basic syntax or setTimeout function. Here, function is some function or code to be executed after the delay, and delay is the time to wait before executing the function. Now, we will run this code and see what's the output. So here, hello Sejal printed after 2 seconds, and now we will see what setTimeInterval function is. It is used to repeatedly execute a function or piece of code at specified intervals. Here is our basic syntax of setInterval function, in which function is the function or code to be executed at each interval, and interval is the time in milliseconds between each execution of the function. So let's see what is the output of this program. Here the numbers from 0 to 4 are printing after each second,